Okay? And what is she going to put under her 3 tens, Jasani?
2 tens.
And how many ones in her ones place under the 2 ones, Javion?
4.
4 ones. Now, she's going to probably start in her tens place and count those all up, right?
No.
Who can practice accountable talk and tell Miss Gallagher what mistake she made? Davion, what mistake did I make when I said start in our tens place?
Starting on 1.
Let's see. Good readers say, we start in our ones place and add them together. We think, can we compose a 10? Let's count them together. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we compose a 10, scholars?
No.
Class.
Yes.
Eyes on Miss Johnson. Miss Johnson, how many more ones would we need to build a 10 in our ones place?
4.
4 more, but do we have them?
No.
No, ma'am. So what goes in my ones place? How many ones do I have? 6 ones. Now, we record how many ones we have, and we compose a 10 if we can bundle 10 ones. We couldn't. So now, do we need to say, hey, 10 friend, let me in?
No.
We didn't build a new 10. So, show me how you counted your 10s.
10.
1 10, 2 10s,
3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens.
So our answer is 56. But you have to do one small thing. Dakota, what did she forget to do?
She forgot to put the missing number in a blank.
Her answer on the blank. One small problem. Thank you for your teamwork, Miss Lately. And I love the way Miss Lately didn't shout it out. She waited to be called on. Very appropriate. I'm wondering if that means Miss Lately is prepared to show us how to successfully do number 2. Miss Parker, hand that off to Miss Lately. It's set up right there for you. I see that this problem is written vertically or horizontally so far?
Horizontally. Horizontally.
Let's put it in the standard algorithm. Standard algorithm. Go ahead and show us what you're going to do. Bless you, ma'am. I see she lines her numbers up vertically. She lines her numbers up vertically. I had 2 scholars really doing that with Miss Gallagher. Let's all do it together. We line the numbers up vertically. We line the numbers up vertically. Being smart. 3, 2, 1. She labeled her places. Now what are you going to do, ma'am? Before she moves on at all, pencils down, eyes on board. 4, 3, 2, eyes on board. 1. I see a very minor problem with her standard algorithm. Aquilo Allen, do you spy the very small problem with her standard algorithm?
Yes.
What is it?
She didn't give herself no space.
She didn't give herself enough space with what, Jasani?
With her tens and
With her 10s and her 1s place. Because what if we compose a 10? Where would it record itself? Would they count her in?
No.
No. We have to be perfect. So we have to be I really like the way Zaria is so respectfully tracking each step of the way. She hasn't moved ahead because she knew it was Dakota's time to teach. Now, much better, ma'am. I see you took Aquila's advice. Now tell us what you're doing, Dakota.
I wear my tens and ones.
What are you going to do in that 10s and 1s chart, ma'am?
You got your cook. It's there.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'll get it later. Go ahead and let me know what you're going to do now. No, thank you, sweetie. I'll get it later. I see. What is she drawing, Javion?
Her tens, her ones.
How many 10s and 1s, sir?
1 10
And?
and 9 ones.
Aquila, what is she going to put under her 9 1s?
A win.
A 1 1 or a 1 10?
What a win.
Okay. And how many
14.
10s?
4.
What is 4 tens and 1 1, Jasani?
41.
Very good. Now, tell us what you're doing, Dakota.
Count my ones.
And what is she asking herself when she counts her ones, Master? What is she asking herself? You need help?
Can I make a 10?
Let's see. Would they help you with this, or are you playing with them? You would count them? Okay. Go ahead. Are we using hundreds right now? Did you use those in your own school? No? All right. What did you just do?
I made it. I made 100 sound.
You made a
10.
How did she make a 10, Samaya?
With 10 ones.
Okay. Does she have any ones left over?
No.
So, Demekus, what does she record in the ones place if she doesn't have any ones left over? 0, 1.
She got 15.
What does that 10 have to say?
Hey, 10 friend, let me in. I'm a 10. Let me in.
But Zari, if she wants to be counted in, where does she have to go?
To the 10's
To
place.
the 100th place. Right in the 10th place. I see. Step aside for a moment. Scholars, Alana's ready. Samaya's ready. Demekus is ready. The whole green table is ready to answer this question. I need 2 students to improve their posture. What is 110 plus 110? 2 tens
6.
plus 4 more tens?
6.
6 tens. Let's see if that checks out. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, and 0 ones.
I have little 50.
Now, Miss Gallagher was thinking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Raise a silent and still hand if you can tell me what mistake I made. Aquila. Tracking Aquila.
You forgot to put your ones in 3, 4, 5, and 6. I mean your line. And
I'm saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
It's wrong. You gotta leave. It's right because you.
Can I say 10, 20?
No.
Why not Aquila?
You gotta say it because it's 0 ones now.
This 10 is the same as this 10. Can I count it twice?
No.
This is 10 once, and we turned it to a 10. Say, we turned it to a 10.
Then we
Turned it to a 10. It's not 10, 20. It's the same 10 ones or 1 10. All right, let's see.
We just built it up.
We just composed it or build it together. So when we decompose, break it apart, here we are composing or build it together or bundle it up. All right, let's see who's ready to show how we can solve the next one. I have a feeling I know who's going to be next, but I'm just waiting to see if they follow every step this time. I have a feeling. Okay, Zadarius, tell us what you're doing, sir.
You gotta put a 1 right there in the 10th place and put 5 in the 1.
So here his problem is written horizontally.
Horizontally.
But he wants to turn it into what, Lauren?
He went to turn in.
I have a problem when I asked Lauren a question and I didn't see anyone's eyes turn to Lauren when she was going to answer it. I asked her, here it's written horizontally. What does he want to turn his problem into? What are we practicing writing our problems in the standard algorithm? Standard algorithm. And when we use the standard algorithm, we have them written vertically. We line our numbers up vertically. We line our numbers up vertically. vertically. Go ahead and show us how. So what is it called what he's writing right now, Demetrius? What is that called? He's lining his numbers up, but what is that called when he writes it that way?
Vertically.
It's vertically, it's written vertically, and what is it called when we line our numbers up vertically? What is that called, Jasani? What is it called when we line our numbers up vertically? What is it called, Zaria?
Standard algorithm.
What is it called when we line our numbers up vertically? Standard algorithm. Standard algorithm. So is this in the standard algorithm?
No.
Is this in the standard algorithm?
Yes.
Keep going, sir. Demetrius is tracking every step of the way. Oh, wait. Practice accountable talks to Maya. What did he forget to do? Look carefully. And make sure he leaves himself some space when he does it. Aquila, do you have it done on your paper? All right, now what are you doing, sir?
Gotta put 110 and 5.
Okay, let's see it. What is he going to draw next, Darius?
16.
And?
8 1.
Okay. And then what is he going to count first, Jatavian? Okay, Jasani, do you agree?
You gotta put his teeth in his O.
Jasani, when he counts his ones, what is he going to ask himself?
If it's a 10, he gonna circle it.
Well, can I compose a
10.
Can we always compose a 10?
Yay!
Dakota, we can always compose a 10? How many ones
No,
does
no,
it
no.
take to build a 10?
10. Or 10.
How many ones
10.
do we always have 10 ones?
10.
No. Let's see.
No.
Let's see if we do here. In the first one, did we have enough?
No.
In the first one, we only had 6 ones. Was that enough to compose a 10?
No.
Let's see. Count them up, sweetie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What did you do, Aquilo?
He bundled some of them up.
How many up?
3
How
out.
many does he bundle up?
He bundled 10 and leave 3 out.
And 3 ones are left out?
Yeah.
Where are the 3 ones left out? Sorry,